Example 3.1, the electron drift speed is estimated to be only a few millimeter second inverse for currents in the range of few amperes, right? How then is the current established almost instant a circuit is closed, right? So why we get this instant current? Because see, drift speed here, right, it is so accelerated, it is in the form of electric field, means like a speed of light, that electrons will be in motion like a speed of light, and also they will accelerated by this acceleration which is E upon m. So this is also tremendous acceleration exerting on that electron, that's why we will get sudden current here. Then second, the electron drift arises due to the force experienced by electrons in the electric field inside the conductor, but force should cause acceleration. Why then do the electrons acquire a steady average drift speed? So see here, because electron, right, electron will collide with the wall and other electrons also. So again they will accelerate it, again they will collide, again they will accelerate it. So this situation continuously going on. So see here, because of this average value of distance time between two collision, we are taking average drift speed. That's why we have to take average drift speed, otherwise electron continuously collide with higher frequency. So that's why we are taking this term as average. Then third, if the electron drift speed is so small and the electron's charge is small, how can we still obtain large amounts of current in a conductor? See, current is not only depend on drift speed, it is also depending on charge density. Means we can also told that charge per unit volume, right? If charge density is more, then current will be more. Then fourth, when electrons drift in a metal from lower to higher potential, does it mean that all the free electrons of the metal are moving in the same direction? So answer is no, because electrons don't depend only on the electric field, it is also depending on the thermal potential by the temperatures, right? So two factors are there, by electric field and by thermal potential. So multiplication by intersection of these two factors, electron will drift in that direction. And then fifth one, are the paths of electron straight line between the successive collision with the positive ions of the metal in absence of electric field? So absence of electric field, electron path is straight, but with the presence of electric field, it is curved one.